A 35-year-old man identified as Jimo Abdulkadir was reportedly arrested, detained, and died in Kwara State Police Command custody. Abdulkadir, who died in the early hours of Friday, was said to have been arrested by police operatives on December 19, 2024. It was gathered that the deceased allegedly owed a sum of 220,000 naira to Repeater, which led to his detention. The family of the deceased accused police operatives in the headquarters of the State Police Command in Ilorin of brutalizing Abdulkadir while he was still in their custody. However, in reaction on Sunday, the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun, directed the Force Criminal Investigation Department (FCID) to take over the investigation immediately. A statement by the Force Public Relations Officer (ACP) Olumuyiwa Adejobi revealed that the IGP also visited the bereaved family in Kwara State and promised to investigate the circumstances of the deceased. The IGP was received by Balogun Fulani of Ilorin, Alhaji Sadiq Atiku Fulani, who spoke on behalf of the family. During the meeting, the IGP expressed his profound condolences and assured the family that no stone will be left unturned in covering the circumstances that led to the tragic incident. The IGP has ordered the FCID to handle the case with utmost diligence and ensure a conclusive and impartial investigation. He further reassured the family and the general public that the Nigerian Police Force remains committed to upholding the highest standards of accountability, professionalism, and respect for human rights. The statement also read, the IGP also called on stakeholders to remain calm and allow the due process of law to prevail. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.